Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quartz point and hoop and Amazonite at the top brass earrings. So first of all, we're going to start by attaching the quartz to the hoop. So to do that, I'm going to use my wire and my hoop, and I'm going to first find the hole and string it on the wire, and I'm going to put it in the center of the wire. And then I'm going to center it on my wire, or on my hoop where I want it. And I'm going to take the wire and just wrap it around so that it holds it in place. And I want it to look pretty organic. I'm not trying to make this look perfect. If you want to spend more time and make it look more perfect, you're welcome to. But I want a more natural feel to it. And then for these ends, I'm just gonna take my pliers and push them down, make them flat so they're not poking out on the ends. And then to hold it in place, I'm going to wrap the other side. So I'm going to hold it where I want it. And I'm just going to start wrapping it. And I'm going to take one wire going one way, the other going the opposite way. I'm just going to wrap it as tightly as I can. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my pliers, push down the ends of the wire. And then my quartz is wired on there. And at this point, if you wanted, you could just put your ear wire on and have a small earring. But I like big, long earrings, so we're gonna take it to the next level. So I've got a 4mm jump ring, and it's open jump ring, meaning it has a slit in it. So you'll just want to put your pliers on either side of it and just gently twist it open. And I'm going to put the hoop on there. Then I'm going to put the bar on there. And then I'm going to just take my pliers, gently twist that into place. And then for this top part, I'm going to take my wire, and I'm going to bend it at a 90-degree angle. I'm going to go back with my pliers, make a little loop. I'm going to hold it at the top in the loop. I'm going to coil it around. Snip off the excess wire. And then I'm going to string on my Amazonite. I'm going to put my pliers up against the bead. And for my ear wire, I want to make sure that the loop is facing this way and that this other loop is going to go the opposite way so that my earring hangs correctly. So I'm going to make my little loop, and then I'm going to add the bar. And I'm going to hold it in the loop and coil it back around. And I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And I'm going to take my ear wire and my pliers and just twist that open. I'm going to attach this, And I need to make sure that it's going to be going the right way. And then I'm going to twist this back into place. And there you have it. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.